My name is Matthew. I am joined by Skylar and Lauren, and we are going to be presenting the motif of water in Annie Dillard's novel For the Time Being. We will be discussing how the utilization of similes and imagery reveal the motif of water through the idea of parallelism with the nature of life and how it is a flowing chain cascading the author's purpose of collectivism versus individualism. In the first quote, they trailed away always, and always new waters peaked, broke, foamed, and replenished, on page 107. Annie Dillard discusses the formation of water behind a moving boat. Her quote aids the reader in visualizing the nature of water as a continuous and constant state. The ideas are conveyed through imagery and descriptive diction, providing the reader with visualizations of the state of water and further insight into the nature of many individual parts to form a collective and recurring process of life. The purpose of this quote is to parallel aspects of life to the state of water. We are all born and then die, and this process is repeated throughout time, emphasizing the potential insignificance we have on the world and the need to look for something meaningful to aid the collective group, which is the human race. While in such great numbers it is easy to feel insignificant, but in reality it takes a collective society as a whole to produce a meaningful impact on the world. Next quote, on page 118, Dillard says, "Our generations rise and break like foam on the shores." On page 118, Dillard discusses the pattern of water breaking on the shores, moving in constant state. This quote is about the similarity in nature of the cycle of life to the constant cycle of waves breaking on the shore. The ideas are conveyed through a simile by using like to compare the cycle of life to the constant rise and break of waves on the beach, both never-ending and constant. The purpose of this quote is to highlight the cyclical nature of life and how it is unclear what the result will be and what the significance we really have in our lives, with the constant birth and death of billions of people in the world. Dillard stresses how each individual component comes and goes, but collectively we produce change in the ever-moving collective group that is the human race.